Hey everyone, it is Info Girl. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to dive into a topic that can change how you think about making money quickly, specifically how to make $2,000 in just 24 hours with the A to Z field service. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. That sounds a bit ambitious, but if you stick around for this video, I'm going to break down everything that you need to know on how you can make $2,000 in 24 hours. First off, you might be wondering what exactly is the A2Z field service? Well, it's a platform that connects service providers with customers in need of various services from appliance repair to HVAC installations, lawn care to electrical work. Simply put, it's a marketplace for skilled trade people. Now, when I first heard about the A2Z field service, I thought this was a bit interesting, so I did a little bit more digging. And what I found was a treasure trove of opportunities for those willing to jump in. So, what's perfect about this platform is that you can set your own hours and work as much or as little as you want. Plus, the demand for skilled service providers is always on the rise, especially as people return to their homes after a long stretch of unclarity. So, how can you make $2,000 in just 24 hours with the A to Z field service? Now, let's say that you are skilled in line with appliance repair. If you're experienced, you can charge a premium for your services anywhere from $100 all the way up to $150 per job. Now, if you set your goal to complete about 15 service calls in 24 hours, you can easily hit that $2,000 market. But wait, I want to point out that not all service providers have equal opportunities. So your reputation matters. The good news is that if you deliver high quality work and receive precision reviews, you will also get repeat clients and referrals that can increase your income. Now, here are my 5 tips to help you rapidly scale your income. Specialization is the key. Whether it's plumbing or electrical work or appliance repair, being on the go to experts in a specific area allows you to command higher prices and build a loyal customer base. Every minute counts. Make sure that your schedule is optimized for back to back appointments. This will minimize your downtime and maximize your earnings. Now you can leverage your network, ask your friends and family and social media contacts if they know anyone in need for your services. Often the best jobs come from word of mouth. Don't hesitate to promote your availability on all platforms. So whether that's Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, all of those platforms you can promote your business on. Also, I recommend a great customer experience. You can set yourself apart from competitors. Try to exceed expectations, whether through quick turnaround times, friendly services, or attention to details. Remember, a happy client is a walk in advertisement, and I cannot express that enough. Training and tools. So always hone your skills, investing in training or certifications. The more knowledgeable you are, the more you can charge. Now ensure you have high quality tools. They'll not only make your work easier, but will also minimize the risk of mistakes that can lead to costly or overdue jobs. So, folks, if you are open to seizing this opportunity, I encourage you to check out the A to Z field service. Set a realistic target for yourself. And remember, this isn't just about making money, but then again, it is. It's also about your career as well. Now, with this job, it gives you plenty of flexibility, which I definitely am here for. Now, in a world where traditional 9 to 5 jobs are becoming less common, platforms like A to Z Field Service provides an excellent revenue so you can take control of your income and support your financial goals. Now, to work with A to Z Field Services, you typically need to follow some of the requirements, which are a valid business license. They do have insurance requirements, which is starting off for liability. So if you cannot afford to pay for full coverage, again, liability is an option. And you will also need a vendor's license as well. So, this is how you can quickly make $2,000 in just 24 hours. So, I hope this video giving you some more valuable insight and motivation to explore this path. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you found this content useful, or comment down below if you have been working or did work for A2Z Field Services. Until next time, I will see you all in the next video.